a 7-kilometre tunnel, yeah? 7,000 metres of tunnelage. That's a lot. Yeah, no more bonjour, it's hola! Oh, my eyes, Jesus. We're in Spain, that's it. Yeah, it's quite a bit different, it's actually really nice. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is now Friday. We've got a hotel to stay in, and there's my towel that I nearly lost. Let's just grab that. Sweet. Yeah, so this is night like 4, and we're in this hotel. So this is pretty sick. It's only a 3-star. It was like €50. All 3 of us shared it. So yeah, it's not bad, is it? Yeah, that's the front of the hotel down there. So yeah, we're off to go do the Pyrenees today. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Hello everybody, how's it going? So today's Friday. We're in Spain now. We're just going to go do some twisty roads that we found last night on Google Maps. And we're just going to go have a jolly good day of it all. A little update from yesterday. Obviously I dropped the GS yesterday and like hurt myself a bit in the process. The burn is fine, but my wrist, I don't know if I've just paggered my wrist. Like I've got no strength in it at all. I can barely turn it. So I'm gonna have to be really careful with that today, especially with the weight of this thing. But I've been using some, it's like an ibuprofen cream, and that's mega. That's done so much for it. I can actually tilt it a little bit, which is, I couldn't do that earlier on. So yeah, we're going to go enjoy this today, and yeah, you'll see some footage soon of us in the Pyrenees Mountains. But I mean, that was the view from our hotel. You know, for €50, we all just bogged in one room, you know, worked a treat. So yeah, I'll update you guys in a bit. It is. It's fucking right photo, that. Speed cameras, yeah. There is. Yep, don't worry, I'm going to find the flattest spot you can imagine. Yeah, I'm having that. No fucks given. Flat. Parkour? Are you parkour? Well, look at that. God, look at that. Jesus. Ah. Alright, David Amber. Why is that? Oh. Yeah, I hate bees. Oh, GS friend. GS friends. Yeah, they are, but they're a pain in the ass. Try doing a roof when there's a nest in the way, mate. It's a pain in the ass. Well, you sort of do, but they don't do anything about it. I rang the council up, they were like, yeah, we'll get someone with you in 3 weeks. It's just like, well, it's coming off tomorrow, so. It does, exactly. But not only that, but they would actually refuse to send somebody out as well. They were like, yeah, you'll have to ring an exterminator to do it. And then I rang an exterminator and they were like, yeah, we can only kill them. Yep. I know. Council were useless for it, mate. Honestly, I tried everything. Yeah, that's it. They just don't. They don't care, mate. They don't care. Wow, that is phenomenal. Look, there's a wooden thing there that you make fire from. Yeah, TP, that's it. He knows. God, look at that down there. You know what we should do? Go park up and build a raft. Build a raft. I'll admit, I haven't built a raft before, but I am a builder, so that does come in handy. You have, and I'm a builder, and so we've got, you can build the raft, I know what to use to build it, and then Ben can get the Wi-Fi working on the raft. Hola, hola. I've had enough of you. This is beautiful. It's so nice. I nearly died. Close? So that's an understatement. That is worse than my driveway one, I think. They might be about the same, really. You had to avoid a head-on collision, and I just missed it. So, well, there is that. Yeah, that'd have been game over. Or in a field, which would have been. It's not even Robin Hood's Bay. Yeah, the add-on pass was ridiculous. Fun though. Does it want to like straighten up? Get them crash bars down. Look to your right, there's a waterfall. Yeah, boy. Waterfall, eh? Going down the rock, eh? It is going for it. Look at that. Bit of a stream coming down the one on the right. It's rather pretty. Right off through to France we go. Got some foreign biker behind us. I know he's foreign because he's got a clear visor on his face. What a weirdo. What a strange man. It's tight. That's a full hairpin, that. First gear job. Nah, it's not. Second. This is the best shout you two have ever had. Just having a baguette on the back of your bike.
We can
remember it, I tell you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good thing about an heavy bike though, it's a fucking good seat.
Someone want to do me a favour?
So,
Hold my bike while I'm doing the straps.
Yeah, let me just take a photo.
yeah, I wouldn't want to go down there. More gravelage, yay. And a car. And a car? Yeah, you. Oh, God, I take them so wide. You alright? What's up? Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Yeah, I do as well. It would. It actually would. They're not going to move. They weigh a ton. If one of them fell on you, it'd kill you. Easy. I think if it fell in your chest, it would break all your ribs and suffocate you.